I'm just... Okay. Just mounting the new Sony ZV-1 camera to the tripod. Ready to film. But before I film, I've got to go and make myself a coffee. I'll be back and then we'll get filming. Going to do a beach scene with reflections in the wet sand. Okay, where is this? All right. Get a bit ready. I'll try and talk a bit louder because the behind the scenes camera has no plug-in mic, so the audio is not the best. But this one's with the tutorial is where the audio is. I've only got one mic, so I'll just get set up. Big helicopter plane buzzing around. Now let's make sure this, sometimes I trip on this with my foot and it yanks it out of the plug a bit. Let's make sure you're all plugged in. We'll turn it on and get ready for the intro. Right, make sure we're on the right. Yes. Now where are we? What about there? How are we going for my headshot? Aerial above my head. Pretty good, pretty good. G'day, how you going? Now I need room for the writing to go up, so I'll go over that way a bit more so the colours can go up the screen. Okay, good stuff. Let's get started. All right. Okay, we'll walk into the shop. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru. Welcome to my video. And I just realised I haven't got my gloves on. I'll put the size on the canvas up there for you. No. Do that again. Fuck you. Stop. Delete. Yes, yes. Back to filming. What the hell is all that stuff there? Okay. Back to filming again. Now let's try that again. All right. Turn the camera on. I'll quickly put my glove on. Now, let's try that again. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video where I want to teach you how to paint a beautiful beach scene with some beautiful reflections in the wet sand. And I'm telling you right now, this painting is going to make people gobsmacked. It's just going to whack them for a 6 and they're going to go, I'm loving that, oh, I'm loving it. No, that's too much. This video is going to make people, this people's just going to hit them for a 6. The size, fucking hell, aeroplanes are fucking flying around everywhere, Jesus Christ. That helicopter ain't going away anytime soon, so I'll start this again. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I like to teach beginners how to paint effective, doable paintings, okay? This painting is going to be a beach scene with some beautiful reflections in the wet sand, pointing right down, and it's going to make people go, wow! It's going to hit them like that. They're going to be gobsmacked by it, okay? There's the size on the canvas there. And I will also get some colours going up the screen like that. Yes. See how they're going up there? They're going all the way up, aren't they? All right. Now I want to bring you over here. I'm not going to use any retard. I'm just going to paint this one, a beautiful, simple brush paint canvas scene. Okay, so get on over here and let's get right into it. Where's the one I had on there? Oh, there it is. Fucking helicopter. Got to do a massive big loop. if I can keep it about there, that's because when I'm moving it away, that's fine. Yeah, that's perfect. Right, let's turn this back on. Come on, you dog. All right. Get this over here. We've got some blues. We've got some magentas. I'm going to use cerulean blue. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Now, why has that got that thing there? Where did that come from? Fucking planes and everything going around. Oh, where's the canvas? Oh, here we go. Get that down there. Oh, is that recording? It is too. Okay, let's get this going. Now I've drawn a little bit of a layout here with me horizon line, the beach out here, some sand, trees, and you know, in Sydney and all that, we get sort of apartments built up in there in between the beach heads as well. Okay, so that's what this painting is going to be all about, and just with some people walking along the beach. So I want to grab my cerulean blue and all the way over there, you bastard. And some craft white and some permanent alizarin. Going to put some warmth in our clouds up there. Now I'm just going to use a sizable filbert brush. Okay, and I want to grab the blue. And I want to lighten it up a bit. I don't want it too bright and cartoony. There we go. And we're going to simply just map in the sky area here. So I'll get that in. Now I can see, come all the way to here to where I'm going to have the sky. Lighten it up as you go if you need to, which I will. Right across there, so it's pretty much scooting down the painting like that. I'm getting a little bit more lighter colour there into that blue. And just getting that right across the sky. And I want to simply put some warmth into that as well. Alright, so down on the palette we've got the sap green here, which is a bit darker. Just going to pick some of this one up and get the majority of this where I want. So what I'm going to do is probably go in all the gaps of this with this colour and get my top the way I want. So I want it coming downhill. I've got to cover the part of the sky where it's not painted. Coming downhill like that, and just come to all those green bits there, block it in, and it's going to make up for different formations of trees and shrubs closer, further apart, whatever. There we go, all the way along like I said, and then we can sink in our buildings. I was going to try and paint around them, but we can sink them in. Now you might want to change the size of your brush. I'm getting a lot of white. See all these little white windows there? I don't want that. So I will use a smaller brush. which is just around. Here we go. And I can get the tops of some of these trees, the height I want as well, just like that, all the way up. Now I put a bit too much water in there, as you can see, but I'll paint that out. Look at this, just scrumbling different colours here and there to make up such a vibrant, beautiful painting. And the good thing about this, you can dry every coat so the other colour will stick on. Yeah, the other colour will stick on. Okay, let's go for that. Okay, I've got the white and I want to pretty much get a bit of white, pull them back along that side of the building. Make sure your painting's dry, pulling back there, just pulling back into it. Highlight that air conditioner box on the roof there, and you could probably get some kind of highlights coming through the guts of that as well. And from a distance, it don't look too bad. You know, people kind of know what it is. We'll get something shining across the top there, shining across the top there. Some kind of white there, maybe a bit of white beaming down there. There we go. Now we're going to just sink them back with the foliage. Okay. So using the sap green, I'll get a little bit of water in that. And we're going to use this to sink back. Bits and bobs within front of the building. See how we do there? There we go, boom, boom. Because they're up in the hills there, and the same over here. Get some of that colour down there. I better turn this one off. Okay, where's this camera? Is that no? Okay, I was just interrupted on the phone there, but that's okay. It was my son. He's been promoted to an agent. He's an agent now. Now I'm getting this kind of along the front here, and I want it kind of just lightly, I'll wipe that off the brush, just lightly scrumbling back into that colour there, okay? Nothing too loud. And we can put a slight shadow under this also. I'll get my brush chisel. There we go. There we go. And we've probably got some stuff out here, going to create some darkness as well. Can put the lights and the darknesses together. We've got some white slushing around all over here as well, just very gingerly, not that much. that still going? I bet you it is. Oh, yes. Okay, what am I going to autograph it with? I'll autograph it with this. Okay, there's so much more you can keep doing with that until the cows come home, but I'm just going to sign it and then we'll whack a frame on it, okay? So I'll put an autograph down here, nice and fine if I can get it. And I want to thank everybody who supports my content. I want to thank all my patrons that support me with their pledges every month. Much appreciated. You become a patron if you want to see extra perks, behind the scene videos and stuff like that now. Check out the links in the description below. Okay, let's whack a frame on this and see how she looks. Come about there. Where are we? There we go. Okay. There we go. That is not too shabby. We've got a coastal beach scene with apartments, beautiful simple sky. It's not detailed, but it's going to look fantastic on the wall. And I know you can do it. So I know you can do it. Where are we? Up there. Still going. Over there. Right, where's this? There we go, about there. There we go, turn that around. Make sure everything's plugged in. And I know you can do it. Well, how vibrant and fresh is that? A beautiful beach scene, something I know you can do. Be sure to tell your friends if you like what you're seeing on my channel, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya. How do you turn it off? There we go. Right. I'll get that taken down. Oh, buggy out, you stupid microphone. Get off your fucking foot. Okay, we'll give the patrons a look at that. There we go, that's another tutorial done. I'm not sure what date that'll be released, but you got to see it first.